Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phone ready. Confirm cellular data is active and your plan allows tethering, because Windows will need internet access through the carrier. Once done, open your phone's mobile hotspot settings and create an SSID and secure password so your PC connects reliably. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on your Windows 10 laptop. You need the network adapter active. If your phone offers USB tethering, connect the USB cable now. This gives a more stable link and avoids Wi-Fi interference. On Windows 10, click the network icon in the taskbar and locate the SSID you created. Select it and enter the password you set on the phone. Choose Private Network so Windows applies less restrictive sharing rules. This helps printers and file transfers work. If you opted for USB tethering instead, switch on USB tethering in the phone settings and allow any driver installs. Windows usually detects the new network adapter automatically. If the adapter doesn't appear, try another USB port or a different cable to rule out hard. Finish by confirming you can browse a web page or run ping and command prompt to verify connectivity. This confirms DNS and routing are working. If you see problems, run Windows Network Troubleshooter. Often it resets the adapter or appliance settings. Make sure to watch mobile data and battery levels. Using USB tethering charges the phone while connected. If nothing works, restart both devices, toggle the hotspot off and on, and re-enter the password. Simple resets clear most temporary state issues and restore a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.